Bishop Benson Gathongo Kamau he undu kwenda gukwira toru ni ngwendete na ngagwitigira ta wendungata ya Ngai ni ndageri gukira no ndagigwa ndingihota gukira kuma muthenya wa Sunday ni woigire no warugamia arume atatu wira which is right but hamwe na kurugamia arume ya atatu wira nyambe ndimagwete umwe ni Boni uria mujaruo na Mathenge na kimundu gitagwo Kigonyi kirarutaga JCM TV wira. Bishop, it's a high time for you uige mihaka ya gwaku na family yaku na mutumia waku. Imundu ici igicuha gwaku na mutumia waku na kurerikana cianyuagira njohi gwaku na ikaingira nginya bedroom. Na ikirigano ni kuhuria CCTV tondu ne wonire CCTV. Andu aya no ma entertainaga. And I would like to tell you, my bishop, ni hinda riega uige mihaka angikorwo ni mburi irario andu ni matige kurugirwo ni mukaguo ati monage mukaguo akimakimira ngima hau hindi ciothe marona mukaguo no ramarugira aiko ni mburi mararia wina kiwanja kia TV na kure JCM TV ni mathi marire mburi kuku gwake muthuri agitagira family yake na gwake. Keep your family off from these thugs. Na nikirona manacuha na mukaguo na gwaku na inywe nduri kaisi muko murigiceirie mundu etagwo Bishop Ben. Respect your boss. Respect your boss. He's your commander. Tigai gutura gwake ginya hindi atari kuo mucuhage na mutumia wake. It's too bad. And I hope you'll get this positively, Mr. Bishop.